Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the Digital Escape video podcast where we're just chilling out, talking about everything online business as far as freelancing, as far as affiliate marketing mainly, as far as content creation, what's working, what's not, as far as TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, you name it. Jamar and I, we're the nerds that love to talk about these things. And I have a few notes to go over today, but a lot of the times I'm just going to go off the cuff. I don't really script these things, just mostly because I'm hoping that you guys can get a sense for how I truly am. And, I'd love to hear questions and comments, wherever you're seeing this. If you're watching this on YouTube, let me know. If you're watching this on Facebook, let me know. LinkedIn. And then we're hopefully going to be putting this on TikTok, Instagram, and all of that as well. So there's a couple segments here on this video. And the first part of it is I want to propose a niche. So there's tons of niches for affiliate marketing, especially in creating content. And there's a couple of key things that I want to go over to make sure that this niche is actually something that you might want to go into. So today, the niche we're going to talk about a little bit is golf. So it's actually a niche that most people don't think about for some reason, even though there seems to be a lot of products about it. So the first criteria that we have is there an audience for golf? I think that there is a big audience for golf, and the nice thing about this audience is that they usually have money. So if you're wanting to go into the golf niche, like, these people are literally putting tons of time and money in improving their strokes and getting lessons, and these people are really wanting to improve their craft. It seems like a sport with a lot of money. So I think there is a great audience for the golf niche. Now, if you were going to create content about this particular niche, how would you solve a problem? So this is another category, and I think there is a lot of ways that you can solve a problem. Like I said, you can get content from other creators and show what they're doing. You can show content from the best golfers in the world. People love to follow, like Tiger Woods and whoever their favorite golfer is. You can do videos on technique. You can do videos on equipment. And we can go a little bit further into this from monetization, but all you have to do is come out of a standpoint of value, whether that's being relatable. So if you are a golfer yourself, you probably know some of the downfalls, some of the struggles, and then you can hit those pain points. Like for me, I'm not that big of a golfer. I go putt or on a golf range or something, but like, I don't know, I would suck. And so if I was going to get into this right now, I would need all the help I can get. So with that being said, just a quick disclaimer here. If someone replies to your comments talking about WhatsApp, or let's talk about this new and shiny get-rich scheme down in the comments, please know that it's a scam. I don't have WhatsApp, I don't have Telegram, and I will not DM you on Instagram about stocks, crypto trading, or any other things that may be asking you for money. I will never DM you on Instagram at all unless you talk to me first. Don't be scammed. I've had some good friends lose a lot of money because people impersonate me, steal my content, and pitch something weird. Many times even to my own family members. So just stay safe and report them all. Please be careful. And so another criteria for this niche, if it's a good niche, has multiple offers. So if you go right now to Google and you type in golf affiliate programs, there's going to be a lot of affiliate programs that you can partner up with and you can apply for. Hopefully you can find a program, and I know that they're out there, that is educational, because then you don't have to ship anything. You can start getting emails flowing through this process. And then hopefully that there's some products, again, I haven't done 100% research, but I know I've seen them, that has a front end offer that's low ticket, and then potentially a high end offer, mid to high end offer, so that they can get more education or perfect their stroke. And the reason why this is good is because then you're hitting all different tiers of people. Some people just want to learn the very basics, like me. I would probably just buy like a $7, $10 course, or maybe even $30 if I was really wanting to. But some people want to take it to the next level where they're already experienced and they're ready to, like, man, I want to learn from the pros, man. I want to get to the next level here. So that's where they could afford maybe something a little bit pricier with a lot more value. And so if you can find an offer that has a front end and an upsell or two, this is where this business could become more profitable. 100% there's content to model for this. It's like, what are other people talking about? What can improve their swings? What can improve their time in learning?
Drop it. Report to the dance floor. The bad girls and man whores. There's a feeling in the club, and it's going airborne. Phil Collins.